You have a Honda Odyssey and looking for the spare tire? Stay tuned to find out where it's located. Alright guys, the first thing you guys are going to do is open the side door. Then you can put your seat, your driver's seat and your passenger seat a little bit front. Then you see this mat. You got to lift up the mat and pull it out right here in the center. So pull this mat out and then you'll see these creases right here. And then these creases is where the spare tire is. So your spare tire is actually behind your center console in the middle seat. So if you see these creases right here, what you're going to do, you're going to dig up in here and then you're going to lift up this tab or this. You're going to lock it. Let's take that out. And then you see your spare tires right there. Looks kind of cramped when I get a flat, but that's how Honda did it. So I hope this helps.